1 gigabit Ethernet is dead. I'm calling it right now. It's being replaced by fast and cheap 2.5 gigabit and 5 gigabit Ethernet adapters. This 2.5 gigabit Ethernet adapter comes from Framework PC, and this 5 gigabit Ethernet adapter comes from Minthouz. Today, we're going to compare 3 different speeds of Ethernet adapters with file copy tests, showing some real-world benchmarks and results, and why your next Ethernet adapter should be 5 gigabits. Let's get into it. All of my testing will be utilizing transfers to and from a Link Plus N2 10 gigabit NAS connected to a 10 gigabit switch. Our 1 gigabit adapter is a USB-A 3.0 device from StarTech with an ASIX chipset housed in a cheap plastic enclosure. Current street price is about $25 on Amazon. Our 2.5 gigabit adapter is from Framework PC with the Realtek RTL 8156 chipset, plastic housing, and a street price of $39 direct from Framework. And our 5 gigabit adapter is the Minthouz with the Realtek RTL 8157 chipset and a nice aluminum housing and a street price of $19.99 on sale on Amazon right now. Note, this adapter was provided by our friends at Minthouz, who have no say in what this video contains or any prior approval before publishing. I'll be testing on Windows today, and while the Minthouz adapter was recognized right away when I plugged it in, to be safe, I downloaded the fresh drivers from the Realtek website and installed it to ensure we get all those sweet 5 gigabit speeds. For our tests, we'll utilize 3 different tests. iPerf3, 2 RoboCopy file copy tests, one moving a folder of 22.4 gigabytes to our NAS, and another RoboCopy script moving a folder with 243 raw image files, about 57 megabyte each, totaling 13 gigabytes in size. The tests were performed with a Framework Laptop 13 plugged into power and a batch file used to measure total seconds taken to complete the file copy. Let's take a look at the test results here, starting with iPerf3. Here we can clearly see the massive benefit of a 5 gigabit adapter. Nearly double the throughput from our 2.5 gigabit adapter and more than 4 times the performance of our 1 gigabit adapter with 585 megabytes a second throughput. In our single file copy test, the Minthouz 5 gigabit adapter just screams through the file transfer, taking just 39 seconds to copy 22.5 gigabytes of files, averaging 570 megabytes per second. Look at the time needed for the 1 gigabit adapter. So much time wasted waiting for files to transfer. Even at 2.5 gigabits, you need 62% less time to transfer that file. Finally, moving into a multiple file transfer copy of 243 raw files with a total size of 13 gigabytes, the 5 gigabit adapter here just mops the floor again, taking just 28 seconds to move our raw photos versus 128 seconds on the gigabit Ethernet. Incredible. File transfers like this make quick work of backing up your feet or cat photos to your NAS. I suppose that's enough with the test results, but what else can you do with an external adapter like this? Well, maybe you record video with your iPhone. The Minthouz adapter connects directly to your iPhone's USB-C port and works to transfer data quickly. Maybe you shoot with Apple ProRes and the Blackmagic app. Transferring via your iPhone to your NAS is quick and easy. Maybe you've got a mini PC that doesn't support anything more than 1 gigabit Ethernet. A USB 3 port offers 5 gigabit speeds. Plug in the Minthouz adapter and give your mini PC or server the boost it needs rather than upgrading your hardware. So who's this adapter for? The better question here is, who isn't it for? You'd be silly to buy any more gigabit Ethernet adapters. Gigabit's dead. Any adapter you buy from now on should be at minimum 2.5 gigabit. For the price currently for the Minthouz at $19.99 on Amazon, you'd be crazy to buy anything slower. My new travel adapter and go-to adapter is the Minthouz 5 gigabit Ethernet adapter.